My name is Paul, and today I'll guide you through a shoulder bridge series, which will consist of both hip rolls and hip lifts. We make our way down onto the reformer with up to 2 to 3 springs on. Placing the ball between the knees to prevent the legs from opening to the side, we start with the basic hip roll. The lumbar spine begins in neutral. Inhale and then exhale, roll up segmentally through the vertebral column, finishing with the weight between the shoulder blades. Inhale, exhale, roll down, finishing with the lumbar spine back in neutral. Moving to the hip lift, the lumbar spine maintains neutral, and as you exhale, press the pelvis vertically up towards the ceiling. Inhale, and as you exhale, lower the pelvis and spine straight down, avoiding little to no movement of the carriage. Adding an extra dimension and challenge, once more we roll up through the spine. At the top, aim to hit a ski slope position from the knee to the hip through to the shoulder. Inhale, and as you exhale, press the carriage away. Allow the pelvis to naturally lower in order to maintain a neutral alignment from the heel through to the shoulder. Inhaling, resisting the carriage back in, pressing the pelvis back up via the glutes. Perform this extension a further 3 to 4 times before inhaling and exhaling, rolling back down through the spine, finishing in neutral. Let's perform the same exercise with a hip lift. Inhale, exhale, press the pelvis vertically up. Inhale, exhale, extend the knee joint, pressing the carriage out. Inhale to lift the pelvis and return. As you extend the knee joint, make sure you don't lock out into knees. Try to keep it fairly soft at the finish of the extension. Inhale, exhale, place the pelvis straight back down. Let's add an extra element of balance and stability. Roll back up the spine to hit the ski slope position. Visualize the spirit level across your trouser band and float your right leg up to a 90-degree tabletop position. Watch the hips don't drop or tilt. As you replace your foot back to the bar, place it straight through the center of the heel. Watch for any large postural shifting as you switch from foot to foot. Inhale, exhale, roll back down through the spine. Adding in an extra challenge, let's take it back to the hip lift. Press the pelvis vertically up. Float the right leg to the tabletop and extend the knee joint, pointing the toes up to the ceiling. Flex the knee joint and replace the heel back to the bar. Inhale, table, exhale, extend. Inhale, table, exhale, replace. As you extend the knee, try to keep the thighs still and the pelvis in the same position, stretching the hamstrings and challenging the lumbar pelvic placement. In preparation for the advanced shoulder bridge, we return to extending the carriage away. Roll up. Keeping the knees in line, extend the right leg long. Press the carriage away, drawing the right leg into tabletop. Resist the carriage in, bringing the knees back in line. Inhale, press. Exhale, return. Repeat 3 to 4 times before replacing the heel back onto the bar. As before, allow the body to naturally lower and lift to maintain good alignment as the carriage moves back and forth. Finally, the advanced shoulder bridge. Maintaining neutral, press the hips straight up. As you inhale, press the carriage away, bringing the right leg to table, then extend the leg up. Exhale, lower the leg down, returning the carriage. Inhale, lift the leg up, pressing out. As the leg lowers, dorsiflex the ankle, and as it lifts, plantar flex. Repeat 3 repetitions before bending the knee back to the tabletop. Whilst maintaining the carriage out, replace the heel back to the bar, resist the carriage home, and lower the pelvis back down. Repeat the whole sequence on the opposite leg. As you lower the leg, try to let the knees pass each other. However, only lower the leg as far as you can maintain the alignment across the pelvis. I hope you enjoyed the video today. If so, please consider liking and subscribing, helping me to grow the channel and make more content such as this.